This protocol gives unexperienced users the tools to bring augmented reality solutions into the medical field through the building of their own smartphone app.
This method combines augmented reality and 3D printing, allowing a quick and easy visualization of 3D models created from patient data on top of a 3D printed reference marker.
This technique can be applied to any medical scenario in which a 3D printed reference can be rigidly attached to the patient.
The visualization of virtual 3D models created from patient data aids in target localization that in surgery and can also improve patient-to-physician communication.
This protocol has been specifically designed for users with no prior knowledge of medical imaging or software development to aid in the use of augmented reality in the medical field.
To create 3D models of a patient's anatomy, first drag the medical image file into the 3D Slicer software window and click OK. To segment the anatomy of the patient, go to the Segment Editor module in 3D Slicer. A segmentation item will be created automatically upon entering the module. Select the desired volume in the Master Volume section and right-click below the image to select Add to create a segment. In the Effects panel, select the most convenient tool for the target and segment the medical image of the patient. To export the segmentation in a 3D model file format, open the Segmentations module. In Export Import Models and Label Maps, select Export and Models and click Export to create the 3D model from the segmented area. Click Save and select the elements to be saved. Then change the file format of the 3D model to OBJ.